Welcome to Fix&Forge. Today, we're repairing a Tissot Le Locle Automatic. As you can see, the watch strap is worn out and damaged, so first, let's remove it. Inside, the watch is quite dirty, which explains why it runs inaccurately and doesn't wind automatically. Let's begin by carefully removing the hands and dial to access the movement underneath. Precision is key here, as the parts are very delicate. Next, we'll disassemble the entire watch movement. Keeping everything organized is essential. Each tiny part has its specific place. Now, it's cleaning time. We'll place all the components in our Elma cleaning machine to thoroughly remove dirt, oils, and grime. With everything clean, we can now reassemble the watch carefully, step by step, ensuring each component fits perfectly. The original automatic winding wheels were worn out, affecting winding performance, so let's replace them with brand new parts to restore proper function. With the movement complete, it's time to gently press the hands back onto the dial, aligning them precisely for accurate timekeeping. Finally, we'll polish the case and fit a fresh, new strap, giving this beautiful watch a completely renewed look. And there it is, a fully restored Tissot Le Locle Automatic, running perfectly and looking like new. Thanks for watching Fix&Forge. Remember to subscribe for more watch repair stories.